The Paseo Plaza Homeowners Association project included many challenges that made spray polyurethane foam roofing the perfect choice for this challenging roof replacement. The busy downtown location required setting up a job site in city streets requiring permitting from the city, rerouting a bike lane, and installing pedestrian canopy scaffolding to protect a sidewalk. The HVAC platforms had been the source of many past leaks. Central Coating upgraded all of these platforms to individual curbs, which were prefabricated and then loaded to the roof with a crane, requiring shutting down city streets. The remounting of 238 heat pump units onto new curbs required tremendous coordination between the roofer, the mechanical contractor, and the homeowners to notify them of the short HVAC shutdowns. The end result of the HVAC work is that all units are now mounted on individual curbs and connected with Unistrut. All line set piping and electrical was upgraded to current code. The total project includes 82,500 square feet of SPF roofing installed over 11 roof sections. The completed SPF roof will provide R10 continuous insulation and a 20-year manufacturer's warranty.